What's going on, everybody? Today we're looking at gbpjpy pair and we're going to dissect it. Starting off with the weekly, you can see all this negative downside right here and then going up to the top. So we'll be reviewing from here to here. That's what we'll be taking a look at. Let's dive right into it. So moving from the weekly chart, coming to the daily. So simple. This pair just keeps trending and trending. You can look at it, get the trending pair, trend line drawing to. Then even from March 17th of this year, all it's been doing is going up. So trending upside. And all we have to do is draw our points, just like you can see on the weekly. Going to the 4-hour next. You can see all it's doing is up. So if you bought this pair for a long time, you've been holding, you can do, even if you're a scalper, you could have swung this trade easily. And then you're gonna see what I'm doing right now. Since all it's been doing is trending, and I've looked at the weekly timeline and I've been putting my trend lines on it, so you can see here as well, the resistance for the weekly is up here. And all I'm doing is drawing mini resistances, and once it passes these mini resistance, I'm calling it mini even though it's on the 4 hours because this top one is from the weekly. So looking at this, if it passes this resistance, all I'll be doing is doubling up on my pairs because all it's doing is trending. It's trending to the upside. And coming to these big times right here, the bigger time frame resistances, acting up a little bit, consolidating for a while maybe. You get the brush tool. Maybe it consolidates for a while over here, but then it still keeps going up. It's on the upside. You can even see right here, all it's doing is, even starting from here, up, hit resistance, came down to support, passed resistance, created new resistance, changed this old resistance to support, hit resistance again, came down, but not fully to the old support, old resistance turned to new support, cracked resistance again, created new resistance, came down to the old resistance and new support, testing it. Now it's doing the same thing because it's still trending up to the positive side. So looking at this, all you have to do is keep it simple. Let me get off this tool. All it's doing is trending to the upside. We already know that. Let's take the resistance name off this because this hasn't been changed. Okay, and this is the resistance now. So all I'm doing is when pairs are like this, guys, it's super easy to trade. Set my alerts. I usually set 3 alerts when I see pairs like this. Depends, 3 or 4 alerts. You'll see why. Starting off with the bottom one. Coming down to support. The top one. Hitting resistance, and that's third one up here, passing resistance, check charts. I can even do one right here. I don't like to mess up the charts by adding too many, but up here, top resistance, wick touched, top resistance wick touched. So I'm setting 3 alerts, or technically 4 alerts. Support, the first one, coming down to support. The second one, hitting resistance. The third one, top resistance wick touched. The fourth one, passing resistance check charts. So this is like the major one if I'm not even paying attention to these 2 up here. And it's telling me, yo, check the charts, because most likely it's going to come up here, do another resistance up here, change this resistance to support, and then keep pushing up the momentum to the upside. And we can see on the daily, I'll slide to the left, we'll slide to the right, and take a look at the previous thing. Okay, so price is right here. Let's just take a look at these previous charts, these previous wicks, these previous candlesticks. So okay, this is actually good. So this would be another zone. Price is currently sitting at 151,682, and I'm going to wait for it to, when I'm in a position, when I enter a position, my long-term goal will be 152,428, about 80 pips, but I'm not gonna get in right there. So it's about 80 pips from here to here. Yep. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I'm waiting for it to touch the resistance. That's kind of good. I placed it right here. So I'll take this off. But once it comes down, at passing, let's go to the current one so you guys can see it. Once it comes down or passes the resistance, comes down to it, retest this, I'm in for the long term, waiting till here, and then if it shows me signs of passing this sign, this alert right here, then I'm headed up to around 153,516. I have some runners running all the way up here, but I'm taking most profits up there. And that's it, guys, for GJ. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. More videos coming soon. Take care. Peace out.